Welcome back to Teach Me Something YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use fingerprint sensor with Arduino Uno. AS608 and R307 both sensor will work this project. Only difference is pin details in the sensor. So I request you check your model and connect the pins properly. Open Library Manager. Search fingerprint. Install Adafruit fingerprint sensor library. Arduino Uno pin 2 should connect with TX pin and pin 3 should connect with RX pin. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board. After uploading, open the serial monitor and choose the correct baud rate which is given program. Enter fingerprint ID number in serial monitor and click Enter button. Now place your finger on sensor. My finger is not registered. Place the finger properly on the sensor. My finger is registered properly. Now we will test my finger is registered or not in the sensor. Finger ID 1 is detected. It is working fine.